Hello everyone. Inside the circle lies a square whose corners touch the circumference. If the circle has a radius of 3 centimeters, what is the area of the red region? Here we have one circle and one square. To find out the red region, we need to deduct the square area from the circle area. If we show the red region by A red, this area is equal to A for circle minus A for square. So A for circle, as we know, is defined by pi times r squared. R is radius. Here is 3 centimeters. So pi r squared 3 to the power of 2 or 9 pi for circle area. To find the area for this square, let's show each side of this square by x. All sides, as we know, are the same. So A for square is x to the power of 2. To find x, let's extend this radius to the opposite side of the square. This is also 3 centimeters, and the diagonal of the circle and also the diagonal of the square is 6 centimeters. Now we have a right triangle. This is 90 degrees, and these two are the same in angle, each 45 degrees. For the right triangle A, B, and C, we can write Pythagorean theorem. X to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 2 is square of the hypotenuse, which is AB, or 6 centimeters, 6 to the power of 2. So 2x2 is 36, and if we divide both sides by 2, we can cancel out 2 at left, and we get x2 for the left side and 18 for the right side. Here we don't need to continue to find x, because in AS we just need x squared. That's why we can write 18 for AS. Now we have AC and AS. We can plug in this equation. So A red becomes 9 pi minus 18. We can simplify this by factoring out 9 from these two terms and write A red as 9 times pi minus 2. So the red area is 9 times pi minus 2. Thank you for watching.